in alignment with false news, horrific and egregious media manipulation around our lawsuit and such. So, Mark, if I was at your house to sell your house, here's what I would say. I'd say, hey, Mark, let me just ask you a question because it's really important to me to know that my clients understand things explicitly. Are you crystal clear on exactly how compensation works in a real estate transaction?
Mm-hmm.
Now, the average person would say what?
No.
Would you mind if I take a moment to explain it?
Please do.
Okay.
I'm the one cutting the check, so tell me what I'm
Right
doing.
there
Yeah.
with you. So never in the history of my 26 years of real estate has my seller ever paid a buyer's agent. Okay. My fee is whatever percent
Mm-hmm.
that I charge to conduct a successful closing and sale of your home. Okay. Now I have one intention when I put the sign in the yard tonight, that through my aggressive prospecting, marketing, networking, and social media influence, I intend to procure the buyer for your home and to orchestrate the entire transaction myself for a couple of reasons. Number one, I get to work with a competent professional,
Mm-hmm.
me. Okay. Number two, and what I mean by that is there's an 87% failure rate in our business in the first 5 years. So there's a 90% chance that I'm going to be working with somebody, if they come to the table first, that may take a lot of extra challenges and stress that comes with that. So my intention is to procure the buyer, and that's what I charge to do it. Okay. My challenge is in San Antonio, there's about 10,000 people who are working with buyers besides me, and they may come first and make you an offer that you accept. If you do accept an offer from somebody else that I didn't procure, that agent is going to take half my workload, half my liability, half my time, and half of my paperwork off of my plate.
Mm-hmm.
So that when we come to a successful closing and I earn the fee that I intended to earn all of as a professional sign of respect, I'm going to split my compensation with them. Kind of like when Tom Sawyer's mom said, Tom, paint the fence. It's going to take you 4 hours. Tom says, cool. Huckleberry Finn shows up, says, let's go fishing. He says, dude, it's going to take me 4 hours to paint my fence. He goes, man, give me a brush. We'll be done in 2. They then paint the fence in 2. Tom's mom gives him $100 and Tom gives Huck $50. Now, Tom's mom didn't give Huck anything.
Right.
She had no agreement. She didn't even know him, maybe, right? But Tom said, hey, the right thing to do was you cut my workload in half. That's what I do. So you're never going to pay the commission of the buyer's agent.
That's right.
So that's the conversation.